In 2026, the people who win won't be the smartest, they won't be the most talented, they won't even be the hardest working. They'll be the ones who can do boring things longer than everyone else, and almost nobody is ready for that. Breeder Taddertees. Something quiet is happening. While most people are chasing motivation, excitement, and shortcuts, a different group is pulling ahead. Not loudly, not publicly, almost invisibly. This video isn't about habits you'll feel excited doing. It's about boring behaviors that are slowly replacing talent itself. If that sounds uncomfortable, stay. Why talent is losing power. Talent used to be rare. Now it's everywhere. Smart people are everywhere. Creative people are everywhere. Ambitious people are everywhere. What's rare now is consistency without stimulation. Technology didn't remove opportunity. It removed patience. In 2026, the biggest advantage won't be intelligence. It will be the ability to repeat dull behaviors long after they stop feeling rewarding. Behavior 1. Doing the same work after it stops feeling effective. Most people don't quit because something fails. They quit because it stops feeling like it's working. No feedback, no validation, no excitement. High performers understand something most people don't. Progress is delayed. They stay when results go quiet. While others change direction, they repeat what already works. That patience is the edge. Behavior 2. Treating sleep as non-negotiable. Most people treat sleep like a reward. I'll sleep after this. I'll catch up later. That mindset destroys clarity. Tired people overreact, procrastinate, make worse decisions. Same sleep time, same wake-up time, not discipline, strategy. Behavior 3. Allowing boredom without escaping it. The moment boredom appears, most people reach for their phone. Not because they need information, but because silence feels uncomfortable. But boredom isn't empty. It's where real thinking happens. People who can sit through boredom gain mental control. And mental control beats raw talent every time. Behavior 4. Repeating simple tasks after novelty dies. Everyone wants meaningful work. Very few people are willing to do boring work long enough to reach it. Repetition isn't glamorous. Routine isn't exciting. But boring work compounds. Those who stay inherit the results. Others quit before earning. Behavior 5. Making life predictable on purpose. Unpredictable days feel exciting. Predictable days build power. Same schedule, same meals, same work blocks. Less decisions, more focus. Chaos feels creative. Routine wins careers. Behavior 6. Measuring progress. Weekly, not emotionally. Feelings lie. One bad day can erase weeks of progress. High performers don't ask, do I feel motivated? They ask, what did I repeat this week? Consistency doesn't feel impressive, but it produces results. Feelings never will. Behavior 7. Saying no without explaining. Over-explaining is a fear response. Focused people don't justify their boundaries. They say no. They skip trends. They protect energy quietly. That calm refusal is becoming rare and powerful. Behavior 8. Staying with one identity longer than comfortable. Reinvention feels like growth, but most reinvention is avoidance. Real growth looks boring because it's slow refinement, not constant change. The people who win stay long enough to master one direction, while others keep restarting. Behavior 9. Consuming less information than feels responsible. Information feels productive. Execution feels uncomfortable. The most dangerous people in 2026 won't know the most. They'll repeat the same few actions longer than everyone else. Less input, more repetition. Behavior 10. Accepting that most days will feel ordinary. Most days won't feel productive. Most days won't feel exciting. No breakthroughs, no validation, just repetition. That's how compounding works. By the time results become visible, it's already too late for others to catch up. The future won't reward the loudest people. It won't reward the most gifted. It will reward those who can tolerate what others escape. Boredom, routine, and ordinary days. If you're building that tolerance, subscribe. This channel isn't about motivation. It's about outlasting people who rely on it.